Need to find and replace keywords in text files securely without uploading them? Your files may contain confidential or sensitive information, so uploading them to an online service may not always be the best option. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing takes place locally on your computer. Your files never leave your device. We have about 60 text files to update. We need to replace company names, project names, years, website URLs, and email addresses across all text files. Let's take a look at the keywords that need to be replaced. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click Text Tools, find and replace keywords in text. Add multiple text files or import a folder containing them. Select the text files you want to process, then click Next. Enter the keywords in the Search Keywords field and their replacements in the Replacement Keywords field. If needed, enable Ignore Letter Case or Match Whole Word Only, then click Next. Click the Preview button to review the keyword replacement pairs. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Next to continue. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the process. The files will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to copy the log for later review. Open sample text files to verify that the keywords have been replaced successfully. Finally, compare the original and updated text files to confirm that all keyword replacements were applied accurately. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.